Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I also want to give a big thanks to all the new subscribers that subscribed to me in one day. I had like 9 subscribers and then it boosted up to 16 subscribers, so I really do thank y'all and I really do appreciate y'all. So let's get into the video. So y'all, the first step you do is primer, which I already put my primer on and I forgot to record it. It stopped recording. So y'all, the next step you're gonna do is take your foundation, put it on your face. I had to mix mine because I don't have the right color for my foundation, so I had to mix it. So now we're just gonna apply it to my face. So next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your brush to blend it out. Do not take your beauty blender to blend out your foundation. That is not what you want to do. It would not end up looking right. It would end up looking cakey and everything. So make sure you have a thin coat of foundation too, because you don't want a big glob on your face. So okay, so after that is all blended out, what you're going to do is you're going to take your concealer and make sure you pick a concealer that is 2 times the shade as you. So 2 times lighter the shade that you are. So I'm just using Fit Me concealer. It doesn't say what name, but oh, it's Caramel. I'm using Caramel. And yeah, so what you're going to do, this is how I apply my concealer. I go under my eye first. And I put a really thin like line, because you don't want to put that much. You don't want to put that much concealer. At least I don't. I don't put that much concealer on there. So put it on your chin. I put a little line on my nose. And then I put some on my forehead. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna let it sit for like a minute or so. If you're in a rush or something, you can go ahead and just blend it out. But if you want the best results, you want it to stay on longer, go ahead and let this sit for like 1 minute on your face, and then you're gonna go ahead and blend it out. So yeah. Okay, so after you let it sit, you're gonna go ahead and take your beauty blender. Do not take your brush, don't take any other tool to blend this out. Make sure you take your beauty blender. This is what you want. The brush is only for the foundation. So go ahead and take your beauty blender and you're gonna go ahead and blend it out. And make sure you look up too, because if you do not look up, then it would not get under your eye, and it would just be a spot that you can see that you missed. Okay, so after it is all blended, you blended your concealer out, it should look something like this. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all should be able to see. It should look something like this. So yeah, so that's just the first, second, that's just the 3 steps that you do. Make sure you do primer, foundation, and then concealer. So yeah. So the next step you're gonna do is your eyebrows. So many people with makeup, they don't do their eyebrows, and it don't look right. So you need to do them eyebrows. So what I have is the Wet n Wild brow shaping gel, and I'm just gonna put them on my eyebrows. Make sure you do your eyebrows, please. So for the eyebrows, I'm not really a perfectionist of no eyebrows, so I'm just gonna try to do my eyebrows because, yeah, I know how to do them, but not as professional, you know? So they should look something like this. After, you're gonna take your eyebrow pencil, and then you're gonna go ahead and fill your eyebrows into your liking. I really need to get like the eyebrow tool, you know, the little like black stuff, and then you have like a little makeup brush and you put it on there. I don't have that, so right now we're just gonna work with the eyebrow pencil. Alright, y'all, so go ahead and blend it out. I think some of the video got cut off, but it's okay. This eyebrow looks a little off, but this should be almost the finished product. Okay, y'all. So the last and very step you need to do is you need to put on your baking powder. So for me, I put this baking powder. This baking powder is a little too light for me, but it's okay. We still gonna use it. So go ahead and just put this on your eye. Oh wait, this is not the last step. This is not the last step, y'all. I forgot. This is not the last step. You're gonna have to put on some blush. So me, I don't like a lot of blush. I don't even like blush like that, but I'm gonna put it on for the video. So, and I don't do like eyeshadow or nothing like that. I don't do eyeshadow because like I'm not a perfectionist. Like I said, this is just like a tutorial, like on a special occasion, my birthday, vacation, anything like that, y'all. That's the only reason. That's the only like eyeshadow I'll try to do, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is from Believe Beauty. This is the blush that they have, and yeah, I'm just gonna be using the blush one, not the glitter one. I'm just gonna be using the blush side. And you're just gonna put on blush to your liking. I just put like a little bit. Like I said, I don't really like blush like that, to be honest, because I don't know, but you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna smile, and you're gonna put your blush on. We're gonna put a little bit more. Alright, y'all, so that's really all the blush that I'm gonna be putting on there. So let's go ahead and close up everything that we need to close up. And I put this little blue thing down on my dresser because I did not want my dresser getting makeup on it. So yeah, I'm gonna get a vanity soon. Do not worry, y'all, it is coming soon, so I can have more professional videos for y'all. I'm gonna just put my stuff away because we don't need stuff like that, and we don't need it getting ruined. We don't need extra makeup on it because, as you can see, it already has makeup on it. So yeah, so just keep out some stuff that you need. So now the last and final steps that I'm gonna do is setting spray, and then you're gonna use your setting powder. You can put like setting powder and then setting spray, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do both. So I'm gonna do setting spray. I'm going to do setting spray, then powder, and then setting spray again, so it does not look that cakey, y'all. So what you're gonna do, just put setting spray. I'm not gonna put that much because I do have lashes on, and you already know. The girls with the lashes on, y'all know. So don't put that much or else it's gonna come off. So yeah. Okay, so now you're gonna put on your baking powder. I really don't like to use baking powder because I got the wrong one. Like, it's like for like light people you're supposed to use this, but like I'm just gonna use a little bit. So we're just gonna use a little bit. It doesn't even matter. So don't put that much that I just did. And this is a mess, y'all. I'm so glad. Okay, just put it under your eye. I'm not gonna like bake. I know that y'all be baking and stuff. Like the girls who wear makeup, y'all know what baking is. So I know y'all like baking stuff, but like I'm sorry, I don't do that. Because last time I baked, last time that I literally baked, I looked like a whole ghost. So I'm not gonna do that. So what I just do is I just put baking powder on, and I just go ahead and blend it right away, because if it stays on, you're gonna end up looking like a ghost. So right now I'm looking like a ghost a little bit, so I'm gonna put my setting spray. That's why I do setting spray, then baking powder, and then setting spray again. Make sure it's dried all the way. Still some on my nose. So any other finishing touches you want to do, go ahead and do them. But it seems like I am done. Y'all, I am done right now. I'm going to show y'all the finishing product up close. Okay, y'all, so this is the very finished product. I hope y'all like this video. I promise you it matches. It really does matches. And it looks way better in real life. On camera, the camera is playing me right now. I look like a ghost right now. I don't know what I look like right now. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. Have a very blessed day. The next video I'm going to be doing is a vlog. So really stay tuned on that video, because I'm going to be vlogging. I don't even know what I'm going to be vlogging. I'm just going to be vlogging something. But, you know, give me more ideas on what to do. Like, you know, since y'all love that how to get closer to God video, give me more videos that y'all want to know more about God, because y'all was so happy that I led y'all to God, and I'm so glad that I led y'all to God. Like I said, read that Bible, okay? Get closer to God. We never want God to not be in our life. So yeah, just stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be a vlog, and you know, give me tips and ideas on what other videos y'all want. Y'all need to give me ideas and everything. So yeah.